DoubleTake Auto Spa in Fremont. So we got this beautiful pre-owned Porsche in the house, and so this customer was referred to us by our customer who has the same type of Porsche, and so he told his friend, don't take it anywhere but to DoubleTake Auto Spa. Now, being that it's a pre-owned, the dealership or the previous owner already had the dealership install a paint protection film on the bumper and a partial on the hood, but we never recommend a partial. Look at that. Who wants to drive around with that line? And then they didn't even do a great job because the hood stops here and then the fenders stop up here. I mean, not on a Porsche. Who wants that? Our work is done on this beautiful Porsche Taycan GTS, you guys, and nothing like being referred by our customers. And so his friend has the exact same Porsche but a different color, and so he told him, bring your Porsche to DoubleTake Auto Spa in Fremont. So we were able to remove the poorly installed paint protection film, and we installed it the right way. And this is why we are featured in Fremont Porsche's magazine. For you guys that don't know what a paint protection film is, it's a clear film that we have placed on top of this vehicle, and it's going to last for 10 full years. But we wrap all the edges, so if we didn't tell you that a paint protection film was on here, you wouldn't know, and that's the way it should be. And again, that's why his friend referred him to DoubleTake Auto Spa in Fremont.